Grunt's getting some love today. We're going to install a JCR Mauler bumper. Stick around.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shockwave Off-Road. My name is Clint.
And I'm Emma.
And as you saw in the intro, we're replacing the bumper on Grunt today. The bumper that's on it, I'm pretty sure it's a Smittybilt. It was on it when we bought the Jeep. It's a pretty common tube bumper for the TJs, and we don't like it. We've never liked it. Em was kind of okay with it.
I like the authentic, original style.
But it was a pain in the ass for me, especially when I had to get my fat ass up in the engine compartment and try to work on it. We waited and waited and waited and looked at some different bumpers, and we really liked the one bumper, the Pyro bumper from Crawltech. That's a badass bumper. But
we wanted the powder coat option, and JCR offered that in the Mauler version, so that's what we went with.
Yep.
So replacing a bumper on a TJ, pretty simple. 6 bolts. So there's 2 on each side here on the side and 2 on the bottom.
All right, and then the 2 bolts on the bottom, right here, right on the frame rail, and then on the driver's side, same place.
To get those bolts off, it's a T55.
Yeah.
Also, I have a helper. Oof. Okay. There we go. So we're just going to clean some of this rust off of here that's built up over the years, and then we're going to shoot it with some lubricant ready to go for the installation. Alright, so we've got the frame horn cleaned up, the rust is pretty much gone, and we've filled the bolt holes with some anti-seize. Now with a helper, we're going to go ahead and install the new bumper. So we've got our first issue. It's definitely 10 on this one. Aftermarket.
Actually, this isn't.
Well, this would be original, right?
Yeah.
This part.
All right, so to install this bumper, you have to take off your sway bar cover. The screws that hold the sway bar cover in or on should be a 3/8.
There we go. Like a glove. Now, once you got your bumper seated, we use the accompanying hardware. Mount it.
Hold on. Come over here.
Yeah, I've already put
and
it
do
on.
that one.
Still straight?
Yep. Now go underneath and do this one.
Door pattern. Ladies, you don't know. That's what we're doing. Actually, I think we should do the bottom.
Nope.
No? Okay. one.
All right, guys, the bumper's on. Real simple project. Took us, what, maybe 30 minutes, and we probably could have had it done in about 15, but we were filming and arguing about stupid shit. So this is the Mauler bumper by JCR. It's winch ready, has built-in winch plate. It's got the D-ring shackles on it. Comes with a real nice powder coat on it, and I really like how it looks. Changed the look of the Jeep completely. I'm a big fan of this bumper. Before, this was as close as I could get. I'd have to reach over here, like when I was changing the radiator, if you guys watch those videos. Now, I can get my belly up in here. That's what I'm talking about. I like that bumper.
Beer belly approved.
Hope you liked the video. If you like this one, check out some of our other videos in the install playlist. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till next time, keep the shiny side up and
Jeep on.